Problem 22. Alan, Beth, Carlos, and Diana discuss grades. Alan said if I get an A then Beth will get an A. Beth said if I get an A then Carlos will get an A. Carlos said if I get an A then Diana will get an A. All statements were true, but only 2 students received an A. Which 2 received A's? The choices are Alan and Beth, Beth and Carlos, Carlos and Diana, Alan and Diana, and Beth and Diana. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. If Alan has an A, it forces Beth, Carlos, Diana, that's 4. If Beth has an A, it forces Carlos and Diana, that's 3. Carlos with an A forces only Diana. So Carlos and Diana received the A's, choice C.